Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hit that like button and subscribe. Today I'm doing a unboxing of this Omswet wig. I got this on Amazon. It probably was only for about $35–40. Nothing expensive, but I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. The other one I had showed y'all before, I got from Temu. I didn't like that, so I never got that one installed. But here is this one. Come with a little net on it. It's pre-plucked, so y'all can see it's good and thin. Let's see. It's a 10-inch bob. Y'all see it here, and it is human hair as well. So y'all can see what it looks like. It has this big thick band, another adjustable band all the way in the back. Let me show you that little thin one that it always has. It has a comb in there. Shoot, just like this. Voila! So y'all can see everything. So it has two combs. It has one right here. And it's a 5x5 HD frontal. Yeah, it's good. And look how smooth that hair is. So y'all can see. Yeah. It's gonna be it. This is the tag. It also comes with the cap, a bag, a hair bag. Put your hair in. It took me forever to find a good wig that I really liked after I seen the reviews and seen photos of the girls with their wigs on. It comes with this band for your edges. I'm gonna show y'all. The girl I seen online. This was the girl I seen online that had it. But you can color it. This is the box. It says maintenance. Detangle hair from ends to roots before washing. Carefully wash with lukewarm water and mild shampoo. Do not rub or twist the hair. When brushing the hair, please start from the bottom up, little by little, to the top. Carefully style hair as desired. Follow with conditioner. Gently squeeze out excess water. Pat dry with the towel. Do not roll or rub the hair dry into the towel. Dry and style hair as recommended by your stylist. It says made from China. It says it's 100% human hair. Yeah, but I think y'all like this one. Don't pass this one up. Do not. I'm gonna show y'all these pictures again, so y'all can see what the wig will look like if you bleach it, color it, perm it. But yeah, it says Brazilian Remy on it, so that's why it's so nice and gentle. Yeah, I couldn't do the other wig, y'all. Ling lang 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 wig. That's what I call it. That thing, it was so thin. This one is full. Like, it's really full. I couldn't do that other one, y'all. Really couldn't. But yeah. Alright, I'll make a video when I have it installed. I'm getting it done for Valentine's Day. So you guys will see what it really looked like on me. Hopefully y'all, it'll encourage y'all or inspire y'all to go get one. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. And I'm going to put the link to the Amazon where I got it from. Alright, bye, you guys.